Oh, hello. Huh. I told you before, dun sa nauna kong blog post, na one of my most favorite feature sa GoPro Max is the Powerpano. With that, you can take a panoramic photo without ghosting. Paano ba tayo take ng panoramic picture? Sinaslide natin yung phone natin pag ganito, and then if objects are moving while you are panning, then may ghosting na nangyayari. As I will show in the photo in the clip, the car gets squished because of the movement of the camera. Now with the GoPro Max, you can take a Powerpano without the ghosting. So ang ginagawa niya is it takes a picture like this, a big picture, pero it just gets a slice of the photo. How do you make a Powerpano? I'll show you. Step 1, turn the camera on, of course. Then after it has booted up, what you can do is you can slide to the left. So now the camera can take photos, and as you can see here, there's a globe. May globe dyan, and what that means is it takes a 360 degree photo. Pero if you click this, you'll be taken to the traditional type of photo. So it's still an ultra-wide photo, pero hindi na siya 360. Once you're in the feature that takes the normal photo, as you can see, photo wide na lang yung nakalagay dito. You click on that, and then the option to take Powerpano is here. So you click on that, and see, nagpalit. Now it is saying that Powerpano photo capture is enabled. You can have a lot of fun taking Powerpanos, and you don't have to look ridiculous panning your phone like that. And yun nga, there is no ghosting, so the panoramic photos that you take will be better than the ones taken by your camera phone or your traditional camera. The only thing is the photo taken by a DSLR or a camera phone has a larger megapixel count than the one taken by the Max. Okay? If you upload it to Facebook, for example, there's a possibility that Facebook will not recognize the photo as a panoramic photo. Alright? Short how-to from the Shy Photographer, and I hope you'll be back for the next one. Please like the video and please subscribe to the channel. Alright, see you in the next one. Peace.